Good morning students. Continuing from our last video from the chapter Factorization of Algebraic Expression. Today we are going to solve exercise 6F. So from 6F we will solve some questions, and before that we will discuss which concept is used to solve exercise 6F. Okay. So let's see. So the concept used here, factorization of trinomials of the form, factorizing trinomials of the form x square plus bx plus c. Look at this expression, x square plus bx plus c. That means here x square is a term and the middle term is bx. So b and x are multiplied here, and plus c is a term here. So together these three terms together is used here in our side. Okay. So look at this question here, x square plus 9x plus 20. Here what is the first term? That is x square already there, and what is the middle term? That is 9x. So 9x means what is b here? So b is used here, 9 and x already. So 9 is multiplied with x, and what is the last term? That is c. So c is 20 here. So c is equal to 20. So we see that the terms we already get the three terms. Now the concept is here to break the middle term. So what is middle term here? 9x. If you split the middle term or if we break the middle term, then we'll get the factors of this algebraic expression. Okay. So the formula is, let's multiply the first term with the last term. So how to split that is? So if you multiply the first term and last term, what is will get? 20 into x square. So we will get 20x square. Okay. And so if you two terms will get here to split 9x. Suppose we will take here 5x and 4x. Okay. So if I add 5x plus 4x, how much I will get here? 5x plus 4x will be 9x, and if I multiply 5x into 4x, so I will get here 20x square. So if I multiply 5x with 4x, I will get 20x square. So that is the multiplication or the product of the first term and the last term. So 20x square. So we will get 20x square if we multiply these two terms. So we have to think that how we split the middle term and get two terms, so that if we multiply these two terms, we will get the result of the first term and the last term, and if we add these two terms, we will get the result of the middle term. If we add, if you sum it. So what terms we are getting here? So if you split or break the middle term into 5x plus 4x. Okay. Here the middle term is 9x. I am breaking into 5x plus 4x. So if I add, I will get 9x. Okay. If I multiply, I will get the 20x square, which is the result of the first term and the last term, and plus 20. So now it is very easy to take common. So what is the common term of common factor of x square and 5x? Definitely that is x. So take x as common. So if you take x as common, it will be x here, because x into x will be x square plus. So if I take x from 5x, what is left here? That is 5. So the term I am getting here, the factor I am getting here, 5. 5 into x will be 5x plus. So what is common of 4x and 20? That is 4. So I am getting here 4x, because 4 into x is 4x and 4 into 5 is 20. So here binomial terms, I am getting here common binomial terms, that common binomial factors, that is x plus 5 and x plus 5 are common in both the place. So it is a common binomial factor. Now you can write x plus 5 because x plus 5 is common in both the case. And what is outside the bracket? That is x. Here it is plus 4. So you can write here x plus 4. So we are getting here these factors, that is x plus 5 and to x plus 4 of this algebraic expression. So now try to solve the exercise 6a based on this concept. Okay. Our first question is a square plus 5a plus 6. Now the first job is to how to break this 5a. First step is how to break this 5a. We have to think two terms, so that if you add these two terms you will get 5a. If you multiply these two terms you will get 6a square. Okay. And what is these two terms? Definitely that the terms are 3a and 2a. If you add 3a plus 2a we will get 5a. If you multiply these two terms we will get 6a square. So write down the common. Now a square and 3a, what is common here? That is a. So if a is gone from a square and a is left here, because a into a square, plus if a is common, then what is left here? That is 3, because a into 3 is 3a, plus from 2a and 6, what is common here? That is 2. So if you take 2 common here, we will get here a plus 3, because 2 into 3 is 6. So we are getting the common binomial factor, that is a plus 3. So you can write a plus 3 into a plus 2. A plus 3 into a plus 2 are the factors of this algebraic expression. Now look at this question, that is a square plus 25 minus 54. Here we have to break 25a, the middle term. We have to take these two terms, any two terms, so that if we add we will get 25a, and if we multiply these two terms we will get minus 54a square. So what are these terms? Think about it. If I write here 27a minus 2a, 27a minus 2a, so how much I will get? 27 minus 2, that is 25, and if I multiply 27 with 2, I am getting 54. Yes, these two terms are 27a and minus 2a. Minus 54 can write down here. So what is common between a square and 27a? That is a. So a is common between these two terms. So a into a is a square, plus a into 27 is 27a. Now minus you take here, and what is common from 2a and 54? Yes, it is 2. So if I take 2 common here, it will be minus 2 into a, minus 2a, and here minus 54 sign will change to plus, because minus into plus will be minus. So 2 here, which number multiply? So that we will get 54, that is 27. 2 into 54 is, so 2 into 27 is 54. So here we see that a plus 27 and a plus 27 are common binomial factors. So you write the factors now. A plus 27 is one factor. Another factor is a minus 2. These are the two factors of this algebraic expression, that is a square plus 25a minus 54. Okay. Now try to solve question number 21. Question number 21 say that factorize this algebraic expression, that is b square cq plus 8bc to the power 4 plus 12c to the power 5. So what is the middle term here? The middle term present here is 8bc to the power 4. So we have to break this middle term. So how to break? And if you multiply this, the two terms, you will get 12, and if you add, you will get 8. So which terms? Two terms are there. If you add, you will get bc to the power 4. If you multiply, you will get b square c to the power 8. Let's see. B square c to write down here. So that two terms will be, if you take here 4 and 4, that is 8, no, 4 4 is 16. If you take 6 and 2, yes, that is because 6 plus 2 is 8 and 6 into 2 is 12. So we will take 6 bc to the power 4 plus then 2 bc to the power 4. So if you add this 6 bc to the power 4 plus 2 bc to the power 4, you will get 8 bc to the power 4, and if you multiply these two terms, you will get 12 bc to the power 8, which is the result of the first term and the last term, that is 12 b square c to the power 8 plus 12 c to the power 5, write down, equal to. So what is, let's see the first two terms. What is common between these two terms? That is b is present, there is no coefficient here, so no need to write the numbers, no need to write the coefficient. But here b square is present, here b is present. So which is common? B is common. Take b as common. And what is here? C to the power 4, here c to the power 3. So take c to the power 3 common. So what is left here? B is left, because b into b is b square. And what is c3 already gone as common, so no need to write c to the power 3 plus. So here 6 equal, right, because 6 is not common. So b already taken common. So what is left here? C to the power 4, but c to the power 3 already taken as common. So what is left? That is c left, because c into c to the power 3 will be c to the power 4. Okay, because as you know, if base is same, power will be added. In the last video already I have told. So into plus, what is common between 2 and 12? That is 2. What is common between b? Here b is not common. You take c here. So 2 into c to the power 4 is here and c to the power 5 is here. Take c to the power 4. So what is left? That is b, because if you multiply 2c to the power 4 into b, you will get this term, that is 2bc to the power 4 plus, now 2 is here and 12 is here, divide 12 with 2, we will get here 6. So 6, and what is left? C to the power 5 is here. So already c to the power 4 is we have taken as common. So c is left here, because c to the power 4 into c to the power 1 will be c to the power 5. So we observe that here b plus 6c is the common binomial factors here. So write down b plus 6c into bc the power 3 plus this term, that is 2c to the power 4. So this is the factors, these are the factors of this algebraic expression, that is b square c cube plus 8bc to the power 4 plus 12c to the power 5. I hope you understand this, all these questions. Okay, try to solve in home.